think about this in the context of the Federal Reserve buying bonds. If they want interest rates to go down, what is their objective? They need the prices of bonds to go up. This is the mechanics that you have to understand to comprehend the whole bond buying concept. So we talked about the mechanics of debt pricing. When the price of debt goes up, interest rates go down, and vice versa. And this also gets confusing because when I say price of debt, I'm not talking about the borrowing cost. I'm talking about the price of debt to an investor purchasing a debt security. Sorry for the jargon, it's difficult.
Son of a bitch.
Let's pivot and talk about the
motherfucker.
concept of the so-called risk-free rate of return.
Yep.
In the lending market, loans are basically all priced off some benchmark interest rate. And generally speaking, U.S. government debt or bonds are generally considered risk-free. Therefore, everything, generally speaking, is priced off the current interest rate being paid on government debt.